I feel say I talk too much. Every time I talk, I create fear enemy. But if I am to start the truth, and someone feel like they can destroy I or kill I for that, it would be an honor to die for the truth. Because only the truth can set a man free. And the truth have no friend beside the truth. So I am all about the truth. Rastafari, Haile Selassie the first. Give thanks.
From my grandmother, right? She told me that back in the day, when people drink, they didn't drink heavy liquor like that. They kind of looked down on people that drink heavy liquor. It was more a beer, I guess, on wine type vibe. Where did this mass heavy drinking come from?
Listen, you see, the cheapest rum is the one that gets you drunk the most. And them all give pretty name. Get a man champagne, the white rum. Every youth drinking white rum. And it's the cheapest drink. My mother used to have a bar. And we don't know at least 3 or 4 men in the community as drunkard. And them are old man. We never know no young people will drink. We never know the young people drink. We know Clem and Slim and this a man round the stand that we know say when they come in your mother bar, you know so them drunk. Them have to go squeeze their lime in their eye or them have to drop down or, you know, and when them have left work and reach the bar, if them baby mother or them wife no reach there, the money done. You know, and when the money done, right away him start beat her right there. That is what rum come for. To keep down our people. So rum is a part of the method or the science that they are using on our people to keep us in darkness. And they make the one who are going to junk them and make them become violent the most cheapest that they can afford it. Every man that drink rum have a problem at home. Not just money problem, sex problem too. And when them can't do what them to do at home, them have to end up beat the woman. Tobacco is another poison. But every youth has smoke tobacco and drink rum. It helps to create crime. And it helps to destroy family. So these are some of the methods that they are using on our people to destroy us. Them don't need the gun, them don't need the jail, them don't need no form of weapon more than the tobacco. We see them build up in a ganja. And the plastic cup with the yellow something my favorite piece. Rum and boom. And the DJ them started DJ about it too. Everybody are in my cup, drinking rum, champagne, smoking tobacco. So every little youth now will grow up. Me there Jamaica and see 10-year-old, you know, smaller than that to them mother put rum and them father give the little pitney a taste. You know what I mean? Eh? So right away, it become an addiction. Them taste it from the time there and them continue. But these are things that they are using to hold on and to destroy our people. And they make it so cheap, so affordable. Every young youth in Jamaica, I don't talk about no ways, every young youth in Jamaica, school youth, is drinking rum. And all of the little girls, them a drink rum too. 12-year-old, 13-year-old, I go to school with rum in their school bag and smoking ganja and tobacco. Worse, them say it legal, ganja legalized now. I see school youth a walk with spliff tail in her ears corner. You know what I mean? Eh? So where we really are go, where the next generation are go, every little youth now drinking rum. All the lax one them who say them a Rasta. Not just the bald youth them, you know. Me have to talk about my house, because me see my house dirty, me have to clean it up. When me talk about myself, Rasta. We have a problem because our children getting involved into these things. And they are following the people that call themselves entertainers. And the government is a part of it, the crime monsters, all of them is a part of it. The radio station, even if they are advertising water in Jamaica right now, them have a naked woman on it. Prostitution, they're on the rise. Alcohol, they're on the rise.
Thank you so much for watching I Never Knew TV.
Please subscribe, comment, like, share.